Def, dirty bad mind, mommy do you so. Be a negative, you just a carry.
Me have to big up all the UK president.
Yes.
Everybody.
Just like how me big up Jamaica.
Americato.
No man, remember good no man. And me have to big up American president.
Yes,
Same way. So me I say,
One of them.
Then we know one time we know.
all across the world.
We all got them bomb up
You got the
like
president them in the world.
Yeah man, so you don't know.
Grum.
You have to know if you respect each one. Remember, you know, brother. A whole heap of we left Jamaica, go to UK, you know, brother. And it's that without them big man, they have them thing under control. And I know can qualify for God them country, you know, brother. You understand me? So we have to say, brother, a big respect for who can left out and fly out. And welcome in another country, so I say. So I always have to big up Canada, you know, brother.
Every time.
Yeah, man, cause Canada a place where I be, brother, and I tell you, say, I want to see enough more people can just left here and go out, they go do them thing and forward. Not make it bad for yourself.
No.
You understand me?
No. Most of us, we can't travel today, go to some countries.
Oh, we make it bad for yourself. Yeah, you know, make it bad for yourself.
But do one something you never did fit do.
Yeah.
So, once you go in a man country, brother, and live within rules and all that, he might go put you out.
I'm on a principle on the thing,
principle,
man. You know,
brother.
so you see,
Yeah,
have
one
some
other
country
thing,
where
man.
principle country them, you know.
If you not run with the mother, brother, you expect to get put out. And you can't blame the man to put you out time, please. Because you not going to come mash up the man place, brother.
True, man, a principle on the thing. The thing like possible like how we know if we done, you know. Man, you see Jamaica, you know, brother. Jamaica nice, you know. Jamaica go on with things, you know. Where we can see ourselves in a Jamaica. Or go towards the thing, you know. So right now I feel like so we want to see ourselves for our next country. And I put out some nether country on the map to like how we put Jamaica back up there, you know. Put back Portland on the map, because Portland is one thing when enough people never did hear about, you know. And Portland now becomes up there on the map, don't it?
Portland is one place where nobody never recognized.
Yeah, you see.
No star come from a long time.
Yeah,
Since
but you
affiliate
know.
now, Portland names start to mention more and more.
Because who do that?
You know.
Bawdacat.
Makes sense, man. Makes sense. You see it. So if we just have the real culture in a way where we know, say. Same way, it there one other country too. You understand me? Them have them culture in them, you know? Yeah, which as we say we can't choose for a man, you know? But at the end of the day, me and you can see some good with the people them are done. So why take if we say, alright, big up on yourself, because you know do good. Yeah, man, you know how much blood claimers, Jamaican artists can left you go to Europe.
Yeah.
Go make a better income and can come home back and make enough man of Jamaica achieve from that. So we have to just make them president and you know, say a big respect to them same way, man, for make a way for Jamaican can come out, they come achieve, you know. Yeah, man, it makes sense, man, a possible thing, you know. Yeah, man, a real thing, man. So anyway we look at it, it's supposed to see the possible side for all the one who deserve it, you know. Yeah, because more time we even with ourselves I do good things to you know, and everyone see it forgive it possible that way. Yeah, you see it, I want to tell themselves.
Yeah, right.
Sure.
Enough people.
Very,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, them
It's like that glory, I mean I know him tell himself say.
good at good.
Me forget it you know, but him no want be the one where forgive me, you know. Yeah, so
Definitely.
just one of them things that at the same time him knowing himself say him not can stop me from get it, you know.
Yeah, but him no
want be up front to be the one where I do so to me and say, yes, cat, this is your glory, see it, yeah.
And, you know,
Yeah,
give
man.
you whatever you forget.
Yeah, man, a real thing, you know.
A real thing, brother.
Yeah, man, a real talk, man. How much of people are going to say, them like what the Prime Minister do?
No.
I would have tell him, I make him hear, say,
Nice, but
yeah, me
well,
like where you do.
Yeah,
You
right.
understand me?
Yes, I am.
I'm not tell him,
So
a man
ever
that knowing
forget it.
himself say, yes, the Prime Minister do little good, that's a still in but him fuck
Yeah.
up around there. So,
Round there,
so what about the good we do?
We
We not
do.
cover the bad.
The bad, no.
You understand me?
So,
Just look at that, man, and tell yourself, say the good cover the bad,
cover up the
man.
bad
Yeah,
one.
you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Actually, go fuck with
That
one
is the
brother.
reason why people always have this little proverb to say, you can't use one bad
And cover 10
and
good.
cover up 10 good.
No, that not go work.
You know, good.
No.
Remember, say 10 times me do good something, you know. And the one time me fall till you kill me, man. No, man, you can't give me a chance, man. Remember, me a good somebody, you
Yeah,
know.
man, you can't ease up, man. Yeah,
I
man.
couldn't mistake me make.
Simple.
I can't mistake me make, you know.
Me not
you have to
perfect.
So you no get chance.
Me not perfect, yeah.
You can't give man a chance.
Yeah,
man.
man.
Yeah. Remember, I always I do good, you know. And the one time he make a little slip up, you plan to dump him. No,
Oh, man, him can't catch up back. Him
Yeah,
slip up, man. Him can't catch up back,
Catch up
man.
back in mats, man.
Yeah, man, him can't catch up
See
back,
him,
man.
brother.
Then him no good again.
Him no good no more. No good anymore.
Still good, man. You can't correct
That's
that.
why you have say we have to give the prop to who forget it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That
Give
is
the
it,
big
you
man
know.
them edge,
Give
brother.
the props to
big
who
up the
forget
big man
it, you
them.
know.
See him, we have all big heads who forget them ratings. Get it too.
Same way.
What due to Caesar, no due to him, sir.
Makes sense, man.
We are going to give Rex Caesar one for.
Mm-hmm.
If it's Caesar, you know.
Not too good for me.
You know, just relax yourself, man, and give me what me forget, man. Or give who forget it, brother. Give them it, man. Give man the glory from them. They forget, brother.
True, man.
That's what it is.
How much are we going to know, say? Good did if you do and practice for the good.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you're a man say, boy, that president here did good and that one here did bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do hear them thing there. But check your level in man. All of them do good, you know.
Yes. Yeah.
Don't it?
All of them do good.
All of them do
doing
good.
yeah.
Do good.
Alright. All of them do good, and if him not done no good to me, him done it to somebody else.
Right.
That's
If
right.
him not done none to me, him done it to a part of my country.
Same way,
You
brother.
understand
bash
me?
him.
No.
No farmer we
No
pass him.
farmer
Can't
we,
pass him.
yeah, you
When
know.
you know get somebody
Yeah,
else,
cause
no
I
get
don't like him just a
Keep
done good
thanks.
to for himself alone.
Now we can reach out
No,
to everybody
him
one
must
time.
reach to everyone, you know. So sometimes the president you lose terms and him not reach to all what him did want to do. You know?
No cover gaps there.
So I just me know we get the presidentship. I tell myself, say you know, so me not put back no work, me I carry through everything.
Same
That's
as
right.
how
Then me no come see the man did I carry through somewhere. Me never like what him did I do.
No, it no looks so.
Yeah, well what me no like, me no parky.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause me say people do good and people do bad. You understand me? So if me see bad and me want leave it alone, it's all up to me. And if me want gravitate to it, it's all up to me. Cause good and bad make everything possible, you know, and I just good alone, you know. But I have to know if you do use the bad and do the bad, you know. Yeah, I just saw me see it, we have to
That's
do
why I
it.
tell you, you have two rows in front of you, you have to choose
Yeah.
one. Yeah.
Sometimes a man that want to kill a man for the little wrong we going around there, so with him and some other people or some other doings, you know. But you have to check what go on sometime, you know. Yeah, man. Good and bad make up everything. Yeah, man. Good and bad make up everything, brother. Me don't want to be bad, you know. No. But if it come my way, when me I go do, me have to go manage it. You understand my family? Me have to manage it, man. When me I go do. Now manage it, me I make it manage me. Then me have to manage it, you know.
Right.
Not every man will do bad did want to. No. No, not all. Yeah, man will just sharpen them knife, say my go road and he must kill somebody today. You know.
Yeah.
It don't happen today, but by the year, if he done the year, so him stab man and him end up at prison. Yes, him no remember this way him did that, you know.
No.
No, then now what you ask for you get.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Remember things is there for the whole away, you know. All our things dead for you know. So if you ask for where you want, you will get it, man.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, man, you will get it, man. So, you know, you just check
man
it
never
out.
road and if he got a knife and him turn back off of you.
And him not come back over.
And him and him knife no come back. Him go kill man.
Yeah, man.
Why
come
him
back
just
home.
go and left the fucking
Yeah, man, it's simple,
him
man.
come back coffee.
Yeah, you never tell yourself, say this is a reason make me
Make
left
you
that
forget
night.
it today.
No, him have to have
Him
it.
say have to go a road with it. Him can't travel without a knife.
Your life at risk.
See you go, they go do it if you do with knife there.
Your life at risk.
Yeah.
Him life did that risk. Him just a tell himself say if him go out a road and nobody do him nothing. or say
Nobody
him
talk
no
to
life,
him, yeah.
him go use him
Him a go
knife
kill
and
today,
then,
yeah.
so him not travel left him comes back go with knife. Go kill people, go in a prison. Him not go work back.
My wish is that no man have to do me nothing, you know, that's me and him have to
That's me and him
anything.
have to eat and nothing that's he reach to no knife fliction.
Yeah.
Time can't stop me.
So
kill
when me
together.
a left out, me a tell myself, say not even a pin me no want on my clothes, cause no man nah do me
The
nothing.
only thing me have a me lighter.
Yeah, who a go do me something? For what?
Can't kill nobody.
True, man.
So me nah have a intention of doing no man nothing or have nothing to defend.
No.
You understand
I
me?
have no enemy, you know.
Yeah, me just have a temple of mine where me
Yeah.
just defend it in any corner, any region, any
Yeah, man.
reason, you know?
Yeah, man.
So, I know like me have your arms up to defend me temple.
No.
Me temple I defend by all my words alone.
Yeah, man. If you say
You
something
understand
to me,
me?
I can't answer you.
Yeah, man, me I defend my temple
Yeah,
long,
man,
long
me can't
time,
answer
man,
you.
from day
Anything
one.
you say to me can't answer you.
So
if
simple.
me feel like me fi
Yeah, man.
answer. Yeah, cause me no must even want answer you to you know.
Man, me nah fi cast sword go a road.
No.
Remember on a war me I go, you know. A road me I go shopping, or go full joy self, or go visit people or something.
So when me I go with
Me I go
Becca?
look for girl or some form of reason make me I go road.
When me I go with Mr.
Yeah,
Sharp,
me
I'm
go that
Becca.
day a yard and feel like my foot them want walk out. Me say well me I go walk out, me want see some more faces or me want some more people to talk to. Me nah go look war.
No.
Yeah man, if you make me have to tell myself say you do the things that's me have to take up arms and come for you, me not just do so. Yeah, me not go up on the road and look war every day. You understand me, brother?
Me nah
It's
walk
just a
with
path of reasoning, you know, cause
Yeah.
you know, and I like say me a pre-war, but
No.
me just a show a man say a road me a go.
Yes.
For some form of reason, not for war. Me is not a soldier with a different post. When me know say the government call me and say me if you go down there so go kill or do whatever, if you do cry peace down there, and me that. No, me is just a person of my own.
Yeah.
So me want go out the road, go sit down and smoke weed and laugh all to myself or call to everybody when me see a pass it up to me. You understand me? Yeah. Me not think about war if you go out the road and look war. That's me a pebble up knife. Where me a go? A butcher stall me a go. Me a go, yeah, me a go cut meat.
Yes.
When? No,
Have
man.
all 2, 3 nights.
Yeah, for what? Then, you know, we get things we cut.
Yeah, go get something to cut.
You will get things for cut, man.
Oh.
Cause you have what for cut things. You
Yeah.
understand me?
And just gear up to
Yeah,
cut
man.
something.
Yeah, man.
But
Me-
you go with so much
Me
cutting
drink
tool.
up grizzle soup and left. Cause girl, me I go low.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So you full up body with grizzle soup before
Yeah,
you go
man.
around.
And grizzle juice.
Yes,
yeah,
I-
man. And
yeah.
take up my pack of yai boots.
Yeah.
And me put on my clothes and me take myself.
And turn out
yeah,
a
if
bit.
me want mirror, me carry my weed and my whistle and my lighter. Me turn out.
Yeah, me I know war
Yeah,
something.
man. You understand?
Yeah,
I know ammunition.
Sorry, man. War with people a road, man. Who have a war? And for what? Then me and you a war now, you go hurt for me body. Remember how little body me have, you know? Me not, yeah.
Stab me a whole heap of something.
Me no want none of them there.
Mm.
None of them there, me no want.
No, sir.
So true that me not try if you carry them there for Guinea man, you know?
No.